Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather here to celebrate a very special day in the history of our country, India's Independence Day. On 15th August, we remember and honor the brave souls who fought and struggled for our freedom, so that we can live in a free and united nation. India was under the rule of the British for many years. Our ancestors dreamed of a country where we could make our own decisions, choose our own leaders, and live our lives with dignity and pride. They made many sacrifices, faced hardships, and showed incredible courage to bring that dream to reality. And finally, on this day, in the year 1947, India became independent. It was a moment of great joy and happiness for every Indian. We got the chance to shape our own destiny and build a nation that is strong, diverse, and full of potential. Our national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and many others played a crucial role in guiding our country towards freedom. They taught us important values like unity, peace, and non-violence. Today, as young citizens of India, we have a responsibility to uphold these values and contribute to our nation's progress. We must respect and celebrate our diversity, because it is one of our greatest strengths. Just like the different colors of a rainbow come together to create something beautiful, our different cultures, languages, and traditions make India a unique and wonderful place. On this Independence Day, let's remember the importance of freedom and democracy. Let's also think about how we can contribute positively to our country by studying hard, being responsible citizens, and treating everyone with kindness and respect. So let us celebrate this special day with joy and pride. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the hard work of those who have built our nation, and most importantly, let's always strive to keep the spirit of independence alive in our hearts. Thank you.